Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I wanna show you how to install Blender 2.8 on Raspberry Pi. Normally, if you have tried to install it on Raspberry Pi OS, aka Raspbian, it will pull only 2.79 release, which is really outdated, and even some of the new features just don't work with it. I've tried to install other distributions such as Manjaro, which uses Arch repositories to install applications. It's a rolling release distro, and that means there is always a new update, and usually the packages are the latest ones. I managed to install it, but when I tried to run it, it searched for OpenGL 3.3 support, which is not here on Raspberry Pi at the moment. But I've encountered a forum thread that says Kali Linux can install it. So I gave it a shot. I installed Kali Linux ARM ISO from offensivesecurity.com. I plugged my SD card and opened Balena Etcher. I flashed the ISO and booted into Kali Linux. Default user and password is Kali, by the way. I updated the system with sudo apt-get update and upgrade commands. Then I typed sudo apt-get install blender as I would normally do with Raspberry Pi OS. And the magic happened. Performance was terrible at the object mode, but at least it could render, so success. I have no idea how it can work with Kali Linux because, well, they both use Debian packages. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video and see you in the next one.